Good morning to everyone. Myself CH Nikhil. I am from CSIT branch and my roll number is 32. Today we are going to discuss about fitting a Poisson distribution for the experimental data. First we need to know what is Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is a limiting form of the binomial distribution in which n the number of trials becomes very large and p the probability of success of the event is very small. Poisson distribution consists of limiting form of the binomial distribution in which n denotes the number of trials and p denotes the probability of success of the events, and here is the graph of the probability and n number of times and the graph between them. Why we need Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution is used in cases where the chance of any individual event being success is very small. The distribution is used to describe the behavior of rare events. So Poisson distribution is used where the success rate is very less. In the where the success rate is very less, in that place Poisson distribution is used. That means this distribution is used to describe the behavior of rare events. That means more chances to fail and less chances to pass. In this case Poisson distribution is used. For example, the number of defective screws per box of 5000 screws. So we can't guess how many defective screws in box of 5000 screws. It is difficult. So in this case we need to use Poisson distribution. The number of printing mistakes in each page of the first proof of the book. The number of air accidents in India in 1 year. Occurrence of number of scratches on sheet of glass. In sheet of glass we cannot count the scratches and occurrences of the number of scratches. So in this case we need Poisson distribution, and these are the examples where we use Poisson distribution. Uses of Poisson distribution in pharmaceutical. Poisson distribution also used in pharmaceuticals. Control limits for number of tablets rejected from an online metal detector during tablet compression cycle. Microbial counts in raw materials, products and water for pharmaceutical use. Control limits for number of containers rejected from visual inspection of sterile production batches. Alert limits for microbial levels in clean room environment. Release limits for microbial counts in non-sterile products. And these are the uses of Poisson distributions in pharmaceutical companies or products. The Poisson distribution formula is P of x equals to e power minus m into m power x by x factorial, where x denotes 1 comma 2 comma 3 are numbers and e denotes the base of the natural logarithms. That means e value equals to 2.7183 and m is the mean of Poisson distribution, that is the average number of occurrences of an event. So m denotes the average occurrences of an event. Conditions under which Poisson distribution is used. The given below conditions in which situation the Poisson distribution is used. The random variable x should be discrete. The dichotomy exists, that is happening of the event must be of two alternatives such as success and failure. So that two alternatives we can use Poisson distribution. Applicable in those cases where the number of trials n is very large and the probability of success p is very small, but the mean equals to np is finite. So in the Poisson distribution the formula of mean is np, which is number of trials into probability of success. Statistical independence is assumed. Characteristics of Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution. That means every value has different elements. It depends mainly on the value of the mean m. The distribution is positively skewed on the left. With the increase in the value of the mean m, the distribution shift to the right and the skewness diminished. If n is large and p is small, the distribution gives a close approximation to binomial distribution, since the arithmetic mean of Poisson is same as that binomial. Poisson distribution has only one parameter, that is m, the arithmetic mean. Thus the entire distribution can be determined once the arithmetic mean is known. The Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution with a single parameter. As m increases, the distribution shifts to the right. And here the graph shows the m increases, the distribution shifts out to the right. All the Poisson distribution is skewed to right. This is the reason why the Poisson probability distribution has been called the probability of distribution of rare events. Fitting a Poisson distribution. The process of fitting a Poisson distribution is very simple. We have just to obtain the value of m, that is the average occurrence, and calculate the frequency of 0 successes. The other frequencies can be very easily calculated as follows, like p0 equals to n into e power minus m, and p1 is the fitting of Poisson distribution equals to p0 into m by 1, and p2 equals to p1 by m by 2, and furtherly it is followed by this process. Here is the example. Here is the given table that following mistakes were observed in a book, and x and f values are given, and e power minus m value are also given, that 0.6443. And here are the x f table are given, and we need to write extra fx values by multiplying x and f values, and we need to find the sum of the frequencies and sum of the fx values. Here given that mean of the distribution of r m equals to 0.44. Here value of the m is given in the question, and we need to find the fitting Poisson distribution. P0 equals to n into e power minus m. We know that n equals to 325 and e power 0.44, the value is given 0.6443, so that we obtain p0 value. So in process of to get p1 value, we need to multiply the p0 into m by 1. So step by step it will be continued, so that we can get fitting of Poisson distribution values. Here the expected frequency of Poisson distribution are given. In the above case, the total of expected frequencies is 325.1111, and observed the total is 325. So slight difference is due to approximation, so that we take a round off value of 325.11, so that we can get a approximate value. Thank you.